Uh, what's up, everyone? What's up, everybody? What's up, every trader out there? My name is Prince. I'm doing this video to show you how to analyze the market because, I did a post on my Facebook page and, I asked what is pulling you back from making it in the market, but some of people say they can't analyze the market. So I'm doing this video to share the knowledge that I was taught, the knowledge that I've got from the industry. I want to share it with you. So, as I said, my name is Prince Ngosi. I am a trader. I started trading in 2021, and today I want to share with you the little knowledge that I have because in this journey of forex we never stop learning. The moment you think now is the moment you don't know that there are things that you don't know. I don't know if you understand that, but you will rewind, go back, and try to understand it because there are many things that we don't know. So don't tell yourself that you know. Maybe there's something that I will show you today here while I'm trying to analyze, and that thing will change your life, whereas you thought you are a good trader. Let's start analyzing. I won't waste time. I want to get straight to the point. It's my wish to present myself first, tell you where I come from, tell you who I am, but that will be a waste of time. I will do a separate video of that one where I talk about myself, how I started trading, how things are going in the market. I will tell you, I will show you everything. I will show you even my clips where I do live tradings, where I trade live, I analyze, I trade the news, I trade the events, all of the things that are in the market. I will show you also those things. But for now, I want to quickly show you how to analyze the market. Okay, first rule of trading. When we are trading, always start to look for the direction on the higher time frames. When I say higher time frame, I mean the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4H time frame and the 1 hour time frame. Those are the main time frames that have a lot of impacts on the market. So if you will master to trade on those time frames, you are a king on this thing. You are a king, I won't lie to you. Let's start on a weekly time frame because as I started analyzing on a weekly time frame, I love this pair. This pair is moving smoothly. It doesn't have those endless correction, what pullbacks. Like, it is a straightforward pair. When it says a buy, it's a buy. When it says it's a sell, it's a sell. It doesn't change in overall. Okay, let me show you a secret that I'm using. Look, I have drawn this trend line here. This trend line, I was collecting all the touches I have on the trend line, and I saw that I have more than 3 touches on the trend line. And at first I thought this was a buy, but I've noticed that no, this is not a buy, it's a sell because the trend line was disrespected multiple times. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First, we have this trend line. As you can see, the red one, it's our trend line. Let me do let me mark this first touch. As you see here, we have our first touch here. We have our first touch. This is our first touch. I have marked it with this rectangle. Let me change the color of it so that we can see it. Let me change the color to at least blue. Let me put blue. Done. Go back. Blue. Yeah, I have put blue. You see, I want to mark my touches on the trend line. we can see there's another second touch there. Let's go and do a mark on it so that we can see what exactly we are dealing with in the market. You see, this is our second touch, first touch, second touch, and then here there's something interesting that is happening here, and we have to be careful with that one, because the market at this point, it is trying to tell us something, and if we can pay full attention on this one, we can see exactly what the market is trying to portray to us, exactly the market is trying to tell us. Look here, first touch, second touch, and a third touch. What does this mean? To like most of people, like this means it's a buy, ne? But there is something that is interesting here that want to disappoint a lot of people, and that's want to change the minds of people. Like as like you can see this trend line, it was respected here at the first touch, at the second touch it was respected, but we find another story when it comes to the third touch. What exactly is happening? We find that our trend line now is beginning to be disrespected. Now we will no longer take buy positions here, because we have broken this trend line. Exactly on our third touch, we have broken our trend line. First, it did a fake breakout. Look at here. Look at this. This was a fake breakout. But the fact that it did that fake breakout, it showed that the trend line was beginning to be weak. The thing that was pushing the market to the upper side now was beginning to lose momentum. Now the direction has to change, and in order for the direction to change, we have to first come and break this low. Look here. We have to come and break this low. Let me remove this because now it will confuse us. We have to come and break this low. Break this low and come and again, let me remove this one, and come and break this second one. You see? The market is coming down there. It has disrespected this trend line that we have drawn here. The trend line was disrespected multiple times. Now you will trade confidently on CPI. There's a CPI coming this week. Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Thursday we have our CPI. We will be looking for sales here, guys. We will be looking for sales. I will sell this market with an open heart, but there are losses in the market. Take note of this. If someone gives you a signal, just know that that signal may go to that direction or may go opposite to the direction. That is part of trading. If you can learn to master the losses, how to take losses, and being consistently profitable at the same time, you will be king. You will be king in the industry. Master your losses and master your profits. Learn how to grow while you are taking losses along the way. It is not wrong taking losses. Like most of people, the mistake they are doing, they end up quitting on Forex because they will take a multiples of win, and then the time they face a losing phase, they are quitting. They will change their strategy. They will give up. They will say this thing is not working. You are wrong by saying that or by doing that. In Forex, we do take losses. I will show you how I took my loss on NFP. I took a loss on NFP, and like I was correct with the direction, but losses are always there, are part of the game. We strive on the losses. We go even hard when we take losses. We never give up. we never give up. Give upping is for failures. Look, on this one, as you can see, it's a sell. Our trend line here was disrespected a multiple times. Look at here. Our trend line was disrespected and it was even broken. Let's go to a much smaller time frame, a daily time frame. You can see, look at this, look at this. Don't say I didn't show you. Look at this, look at this. This is our trend line being broken on the daily time frame. This is our first touch. Remember here, our first touch here, and this was our second touch here, and this was supposed to be our third touch. This area here was supposed to be our third touch, but the market decided to break our trend line. Now we will face a multiple sells. We will continue to sell the market until we are good. For now, there is no end. As you can see, even like on NFP, this thing bought. You see this long candlestick here. This candlestick was a massive one. I saw a multiple sales here, but I didn't trade AUD USD. I was trading USD JPY, and I caught the buy on the USD JPY. And like from that trade, I saw a lot happened, and like I was happy with what was happening during that time. Look, it sold. Even now on CPI, many will expect a change on direction. There won't be a change of direction. Continue to sell this market. Continue to sell this market. On CPI, look exactly at we will see the time. Go like and check the time on FOREX Factory. Go on FOREX Factory and check the time. For now, like I don't want this video to be long and then you get bored, but it is a sell. It is a sell, and I will do a video again before CPI where we take our end. But for now, it's a warning that expect a multiple sells on this pair. Expect a multiple sells on this pair. Okay, I think for today I'll be done here. I will come with an entry, but for now I showed you how to use some of the things on the market, and let me show you the last thing. The last thing. Let's come here. We are back again on the weekly time frame. Let's come here. I want to show you something. You see, there was a double bottom, a double top here. Look, there was a double top here. This was your entry. To sell this market, because you see it keeps on disrespecting the trend line, and that should tell you that the market will still continue to disrespect this trend line until it is fully broken, because now this trend line is not fully broken, but it is in the process of being broken. So we will take a multiple sales. This is how I analyze the market. You will see we break lows, we break highs, we break lows, we break highs. For now, we have respected this lower high here. We are moving down until we reach this. What is this area? We will be selling to 56,107 points. I use points to trade. We'll come and break this low here. Just watch and learn. watch you on that.